Welcome to the colorful world of aras, magnificent parrots known for their vivid plumage. Aras are powerful flyers, soaring through the rainforests of Central and South America. These intelligent birds have complex vocalizations and form strong bonds with their flock. Their strong beaks are adapted to open nuts and seeds, an essential part of their diet. Aras engage in mutual grooming as a form of social bonding and hygiene. They are one of the few bird species known to use tools. Aras love to play, and their inquisitive behavior often includes exploring their environment. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and the pet trade threaten their survival. Aras are not only visually stunning, but also fascinating in their behavior,